Hey guys, it's Vince over at Ceramic Pro Killeen, and so today we're going to be knocking out a paint protection film package on a 2018 Mercedes CLA45 AMG, and we're going to be doing a full front end paint protection package on it, and we're going to be knocking out some ceramic coating as well. So hey, we're going to show you guys exactly how it goes, the in-depth process, and we actually want you guys to kind of see this from the cinematic side and not maybe from the how-to side. So pay attention, see what the vehicle looks like, tell us what you think afterwards in the comments.